The life cycle of a plant is a fascinating journey that each plant goes through during its lifetime. It includes key stages that encompass the entire process, from the germination of a new plant from a seed to the moment when the plant itself produces seeds for reproduction and dies. The lifespan of a plant can be 1, 2, or many years. Today we will talk about the stages of plant development. If you are interested in this content, please support us by subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. Stages of plant organogenesis. First, seed. The seed contains the embryo of the future plant and a reservoir of nutrients that are needed for the initial stages of growth. If the conditions for germination are unfavorable, the seed can remain dormant for a long time, preserving the viability of the embryo and waiting for the right moment. Second, germination. The seed increases in size by absorbing water. The radicle of the embryo sprouts through the seed coat. It penetrates the soil and absorbs water and nutrients. The stem emerges from the seed and develops leaves. Third, vegetative growth. This period is important for the formation of a strong foundation for the plant, which will later affect its productivity and ability to withstand stress conditions. It is characterized by active growth of the stem, leaves, and roots. Vegetative growth is influenced by light as it is necessary for photosynthesis, the process by which plants produce food from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Water keeps the plant healthy and ensures transpiration, photosynthesis, and turgor. Formation of flower buds. This phase marks the transition of the plant from the vegetative state, focused on the growth of leaves, stems, and roots, to the reproductive state, aimed at producing flowers and subsequently forming fruits and seeds. Plants may not set flower buds if the day length doesn't meet their needs. Fifth, flowering. The fifth stage of development is flowering. It not only serves to attract pollinators, but it is also a crucial stage for the formation of fruits and seeds, ensuring the continuation of the species. You can stimulate the rate of flowering by applying fertilizers, especially those high in phosphorus and potassium. Sixth, pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the stems, male reproductive organs, to the stigma of the pistil, female reproductive organ of the same or another flower. Insects are the most common pollinators. They are attracted by the bright colors, scents, and nectar of flowers. Wind pollination occurs in plants with small, inconspicuous flowers that do not have a scent. Birds pollinate large, brightly colored flowers with a strong scent. The sperm cell from the pollen grain germinates through the pollen tube and fertilizes the egg cell in the ovary. Fertilization is a key stage in the formation of fruits and seeds. Seventh, seed and fruit formation. During this stage, the zygote formed as a result of fertilization develops into a seed, which is usually surrounded by a fruit. The zygote typically contains a complete set of chromosomes necessary for further plant development. Seed and fruit formation are critical for the subsequent dispersal of plants and are a key part of their life cycle. Eighth, fruit and seed ripening or color appearance. The process by which plant fruits become more edible and capable of reproduction. In general, during ripening, the fruit becomes sweeter, less sour, and softer, and change color from green to red, yellow, or other colors. Ninth, senescence or dormancy. The completion of the cycle is the death of the plant, an inevitable natural process that can be caused by old age, temperature, and viruses. The plant dies and its seeds fall to the ground and start a new cycle. If the plant belongs to a 2-year or more life cycle, it goes into dormancy. Once the plant cycle is finally genetically completed, it dies. By being familiar with all the stages of plant development, you can stimulate growth and flowering, which will positively affect your harvest. Share this information with your friends. Support our content with likes and comments. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss us. See you soon!